One dish that can make anyone a Karela lover. That's Bharwa Karela. Let's make it in the new Philips OneChef. Lightly peel the bitter gourd or the Karela. Slit at the center. Remove the seeds. But wait, don't throw them. Chop them and keep aside. We'll use these later for the filling. In a bowl, add haldi, little bit of salt, water and soak the Karela for some time. Ye step hai zaruri to remove the bitterness. Keep aside. Now let's prepare the filling. Press the power button, select stir fry mode followed by veg preset and press start. Add mustard oil to the cooking pot. Once it's hot, add jeera, hing, chopped onions, salt to taste and cook for 2 to 4 minutes. Add the chopped Karela seeds, haldi, amchur, degi red chili powder, dhania powder, fennel powder and cook for 2 to 3 minutes more. Add little bit of sugar, besan and cook for the remaining 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the filling and set aside to cool. Now press the power button again. Select air fry mode followed by veg preset. Preheat it at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes and press start. Take a soaked Karela and stuff it with the prepared filling. Place the stuffed Karelas on the air frying rack. And press start. We'll cook it for 20 to 22 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once done, remove and transfer it to a serving dish. Serve hot with warm rotis. Kaha tha na? This dish will make you a Karela fan guaranteed. Classic recipes made easy with the new Philips OneChef. It's all you need.